I'm still using the wound therapy tools to a client. Dude, you have to know that not all people are suitable for the wound therapy, especially for the clients with cellulite. They need some sort of modality order to properly be treated for it. And the G5 machine is the best one after you are doing the cavitation treatment to a client with 5 pieces of massage heads, especially for different treatment areas. This is the fingers heads to soften the hard fats and relieve pain. This is the sponge massage heads and the bro-shaped massage heads for the sensitive areas. If you prefer the soften touching, it will be the best for you. This is the docked massage heads, aimed at rough, wrinkles, skin, and soft fat. And this is the semi-spheres massage heads used on arms with large piece of muscle like the back area. If you still don't know how to use it, there's a user manual for you for reference. We offer training videos of the treatments, private label, job shipping for these items. You just contact us for the factory offer to push your business. Looking for a beauty instrument factory? Choose joesbeauty.com with confidence.